Welcome viewers. This is on my TV. For those who are just joining us the first time, this is a channel that provides critical solutions to students who are offering chemistry in university and also in secondary school. So today we will consider a topic, electrolysis. We are going to look at the topic. This topic solve problem in it, and of course, when you are solving problem in electrolysis, you should be able to understand two basic things. In electrolysis, we have two basic methods. And that method it comes from the laws of electrolysis. Then we have Faraday's first law of electrolysis, and we have Faraday's second law of electrolysis. And if you look at this question vividly, you should be able to know that this is coming from Faraday's first law of electrolysis. And of course, you know that Faraday's first law of electrolysis states that the mass of a substance deposited during electrolysis is directly proportional to the quantity of electricity passing through its mass. Mass is directly proportional to the quantity. And of course, if you want to make quantity here is given as what? Current times what? Times time. That is what quantity is. So we are asked to calculate what? The mass of copper. There are two. You should be able to know that there are two methods. There are two steps in which use in calculating Faraday's first law of electricity. Number first one is to determine any of this one, and the number second one is to use a half the equation to determine the last one. So let's go to the first step. Let's just consider this is the first step, and you can find the first step. We have to look for the quantity first, so that we can now fix it into the equation. Then we'll get our answer. In our quantity here, we say quantity is equal to current. What do you have current? You say the mass of a copper deposited at the electrode where the current of we have 4 times time. Time here is 1 minute 30 seconds. Of course, you should know that time is measured in seconds. Therefore, we have to convert this 1 minute into what? Second. And of course, we know that 60 seconds make what? 1 minute. So here is what? 60 seconds. 60 plus what? 30 will give you what? 90 seconds. Let's see, this 60 plus what? Plus 30 will give you equal to what? 90. So therefore, quantity will give you what? Quantity will give you 4 times what? 4 times 90, which will give you equal to what? 360 column. Quantity is measured in column. We have gotten the first stage. There are some situation, there are some problems. If you continue to subscribe to my TV further, you will see that there are some problems they are asked to calculate the current. There are some problems they are asked to calculate the what time. In any way they are asking you to calculate, you use this method. It's very, very simple. If you have any challenge, just subscribe to my TV. I will make a comment. Make a comment, I will attend to it. So the next step, we have to calculate, we have to find from the equation, we have to look from the equation. In the equation, we know that, let's take from here. Now the second step is the equation, and the equation, we know that the equation of the reaction is what? We have copper. Copper here is our association number of 2, so 2 plus will give you plus ion is 2 electrons. 2 electrons will give you what? Cu is solid. That is copper is in solid stage. Then of course you know that because of these 2 electrons, it means that it has 2 Faradays. So 2 Faradays. Do you understand? So the next thing we are going to do is that we have to divide. This one is giving you a mass of copper. Therefore, 2 times Faraday. Faraday is giving us what? 9600 will give you what? 63. This is the mass of 63.3. Do you understand? Then the next step, what are you going to look at? If this one will give you this, then it's got that this one 360 column will deposit how many column? We now have we multiply this one 360 by what? By this and divide it by this. So it's very simple. So 360 times 63.3 all over the column. That is 96,500. You understand? So when you multiply this by this and divide it by this, what do you have? Of course, we know that we have if you multiply this, let's use our calculator. 22860 divided by, let's use calculator for that. When you divide this one, you have 193,000. So you can see here at the end of it, let's write this the first one. So we have, when you divide this one by this one, what do you have? You have 0.118 grams. So if you approximate this one, the mass now will now be equal to 0.12 grams. That is the mass of the copper deposited in this particular equation. Hope you understand. This is the mass of copper. This one, mass of copper is equal to this 0.12 grams. So if you have any question, you can subscribe or make a comment on the comment section that this is something I don't understand. This is something you will look at the subsequent video you have. If you go further, you see some videos that already we have solved Faraday first law using finding time. We have solved Faraday first law using current. We have solved Faraday first law and using any other. We have different problems that we have solved. Remember, GMI TV is provide solution to students who offer chemistry. So you take a look at it and any question, you put it in the comment section. Thank you and God bless you.